Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact medication and dose so you treat correctly. Once done, warm the bottle briefly in your hands to reduce shock to the ear. You position the dog sitting or lying, use a towel to steady the body, and ask an assistant to gently hold the head. You should cradle the jaw and lift the ear flap. Make sure to speak softly to calm the dog and minimize resistance before you reach for the applicator. You expose the ear by gently lifting and holding the flap upright to see the opening. Do not insert the nozzle deep into the canal because that risks damage. Once positioned, dispense the exact prescribed amount while aiming at the ear canal opening so medication flows inward. After application, firmly massage the base of the ear for 20 to 30 seconds to move the medication deeper and distribute it across the canal walls. Then let the dog shake and wipe visible residue with gauze. You finish by giving a treat and gentle praise so future applications go smoother. Also record the time and dose to maintain consistency. If the dog becomes very resistant, pause, regroup, and try again with a helper or a soft muzzle. Rushing increases injury risk. Make sure to monitor the ear over the next 24 to 48 hours. If you see worsening pain, marked swelling, bleeding, or a foul odor, stop treatments and contact your veterinarian right away for reassessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.